Hello, Chasm listeners. This is Kelly Berg from the Stearns Conservation District with this week's Conservation Report. I'd like to start off with an announcement from the Minnesota Department of Ag. New funding has been brought to Minnesota to help improve Minnesota's soil health. They are opening up another round of the Soil Health Financial Assistance Program. This program is available to individual producers, producer groups, and local governments to purchase or retrofit soil health equipment. This equipment can be new or used and includes, but is not limited to, no-till drills, air seeders, and strip tillage units. A more detailed list can be found on the Minnesota Department of Ag's website, as well as a link to the application. The funding is open from August 1st to August 29th, and there has been a significant funding increase with $4.36 million available in this round. Purchases may not be made from family members, and prioritization will be given to those who are Minnesota Ag Water Quality Certification Program certified or working towards certification, as well as applicants who have not already received funding through this grant in the past. Grants provide up to 50% cost share with a minimum award of $500 and a maximum award of $45,000. Awards will be announced by January 1st, 2026. For more information, log on to the Minnesota Department of Ag's website. Next week, starting on Wednesday, August 6th through Sunday, August 10th, we will have the Stearns County Fair. Please come visit our booth and display and check out what we have to offer. Also upcoming is the Urban Pollinator Workshop on August 16th at the Stearns County History Museum in St. Cloud, brought to you by the University of Minnesota Extension. Learn how to create your own pollinator habitat in your own backyard. Please register at the z.umn.edu/pollinator field days. Additionally, the Rochelle Field Day is coming up on August 21st. This is an annual event that takes place off of Old Highway 28 in Westport, Minnesota. The event runs from 9 to 1 p.m., and the topics range from nitrogen use in irrigated corn with cover crops, efficient irrigation and nitrogen management, interpreting soil moisture data and beyond, soil health assessments, as well as wind erosion demonstration, and a drone cover crop seeding demonstration. We ask that you register by August 13th, and you can do this by contacting Katie Disrud at Pope SWCD at 320-634-5327 or register at popeswcd.org. Lastly, we also will be having a free private well water screening event coming up on Wednesday, August 27th from 1 to 6 p.m. at the Stearns County Fairgrounds. It is located in the Community Connection building. We have had a number of these events in the past, but just as a reminder of what to bring. In a clean container, collect 1 quart of cold tap water from your kitchen sink. If your household uses treatment other than a water softener, take a sample before and after treatment and label accordingly. You may drop off your sample at the Sauk River Watershed District office between 7 a.m. and 12 p.m. on August 27th if you're unable to make the event at the Stearns County Fairgrounds. Also included on site is the screening for nitrates and chlorides, which are common contaminants in Minnesota's groundwater, and discounted arsenic tests will be available through trout companies for $20. Groundwater experts will be available for free consultations on concerns you may have about your well and drinking water. Please visit our website at www.stearnscd.org or call us at 320-251-7800 extension 3 for more information. That's all I have for this week's Conservation Report. Thank you for listening.